Now when you create a slider, let me show you how to create a custom slider. We'll go from 0, less than 15, less than, let's say 40. And that gives you a slider at 15, and it does the limit at 0 and at 40. So we'll go here. Now we're going to take these and move them up. So let's go to a move component. Use the points as the geometry input. The motion is going to be Z. Why? Because we want to move them up. So we'll use this vector as the motion, and let's add a vector slider. I'll just copy this one, plug it in, and let's relabel these.